Hey guys, is your laptop freezing, lagging, or acting slow? Don't worry, I've got 9 quick and guaranteed fixes to make your PC or laptop run smooth like brand new. Step number 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager, or just right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. Once it's open, go to the Startup tab and turn off any apps you don't need to run when Windows starts. This helps your laptop start up faster and keeps it from freezing at boot. Step number 2, go to the Processes tab. If you see anything using 90 to 100% CPU or memory, right-click it and select End Task. This instantly helps reduce lag and freezing. Step number 3, find Windows Explorer in the list. Once you find it, right-click and select Restart. This will refresh Windows Explorer and instantly help reduce lag and freezing. In the step number 4, if your screen freezes while gaming or watching videos, press Win plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B. This resets your graphics driver instantly, no restart needed. Step number 5, right-click the Windows icon and open Settings. Go to Update and Security gives Windows Update, then click Check for updates. Make sure you're online. Windows will find, download, and install the latest updates automatically. To update your drivers, right-click the Windows icon and select Device Manager. Once it opens, expand Display Adapters, right-click your driver, and choose Update Driver. Then click Search automatically for drivers. Windows will download and install the latest version. Repeat the same steps for all other device drivers. Step number 6, search for background apps and open it. You'll see a list of apps running in the background. Turn off the ones you don't need, or just disable them all. Fewer background apps mean faster performance and less lag or freezing while gaming. Step number 7, search for View Advanced System Settings and open it. Click Settings under the Performance section. Select Adjust for Best Performance, then check only the options you need for appearance. Click Apply and OK to save. This instantly boosts your Windows performance. Step number 8, press Windows plus R, type CleanGore, and hit OK. Select your drive, click OK, then choose Clean Up System Files. Click OK again. Check all the boxes, they're just temporary files, and then hit OK gives delete files. This will remove junk files and make your PC or laptop run smoother. After that, search for CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Now, in the command prompt, type as FC scannow and press Enter. This command will repair any corrupted system files. Wait until the scan reaches 100%. Once the command finishes successfully, close the command prompt. If your screen is still freezing or lagging, move on to Step 8. First, shut down your PC or laptop. Unplug the charger, any connected devices, and the battery if possible. Then, press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. After that, plug the charger back in and turn your PC on. This clears any leftover static power and helps fix system hang or freeze issues. And that's it. Your laptop or PC should now run smoother, faster, and without freezes. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.